In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sites to GoDaddy custom domain, step by step. First, open the Google site you want to publish. Before you begin, it helps if your site has been published once so Google can associate it with a domain. In the site editor, look for the gear icon near the top and open settings. Choose custom domains, then select connect domain. When prompted, type your domain exactly as you registered it. Most setups use the www version because Google Sites maps through a C name. Double check spelling, typos will break the connection. If Google asks you to verify that you own the domain, click Verify Your Ownership. This opens Google Search Console. When you see the list of domain providers, pick GoDaddy to let Google verify automatically. Sign in if asked and confirm access so Google can check your DNS. If the automated option doesn't appear, Google will give you a TXT record. Keep that value handy. You'll add it in GoDaddy in the same DNS area you'll use for this name. Now switch to GoDaddy. From your account, open My Products, go to Domains and choose Manage All. Find the domain you're connecting and open its DNS settings. To point your site to Google, you'll use a CNAME record. If you already have a CNAME or a record for the host www, edit it. Otherwise, add a new record. Set the type to CNAME, the name or host to www, and the value, sometimes called points to ghs.googlehosted.com. Leave TTL at its default unless you have a reason to change it, then save. This change tells browsers that the www version of your domain should load from Google's servers for your site. You don't need any A records for this www mapping. The single name is sufficient for Google Sites. Conflicting records for the same host can delay or block verification, so review the www row carefully. If Search Console asked for a TXT record earlier, add that TXT record here as shown on Google's screen, save and return to the Verification tab. Head back to the Google Site Setup window. Google will check your DNS changes. When you see that verification has succeeded, click Done or Next to finish. It can take a little time for DNS to propagate across the internet, often a few minutes, but in some cases up to 48 hours. Once it's active, visiting the www version of your domain should load your Google site, and HTTPS will be handled automatically by Google. If it doesn't appear right away, give it time, clear your browser cache, and test again.